My name is Georgina and I work for Ishida Europe. I have now graduated from my apprenticeship and work as a design engineer. My apprenticeship was 4 years in total, where I studied and trained as a technical product design apprentice. I love finding out how things work theoretically and practically. This is one of the key reasons an apprenticeship appealed so much to me. There is so much scope and innovation in this sector that will allow you to learn something new every day. Manufacturing engineering is so dynamic and full of potential, it has every reason to appeal to every generation. I'm motivated by all females who want to innovate, inspire, encourage and excel in STEM industries because it allows me to inspire you. With around 9% of females in the manufacturing and engineering sector, I am proud to be a part of this figure, but I want to be able to build on this and develop our future leaders. A career in manufacturing engineering is full of rewards, satisfaction and opportunity. Having experienced this industry for the best part of 5 years now, I can wholly say this is true. Yes, it is challenging. Yes, it will push you out of your comfort zone. Yes, it requires high levels of commitment and dedication. But yes, you will reach your potential. Yes, you will achieve your goals. And yes, you will grow, learn and inspire others. My apprenticeship allowed me to grow personally and professionally, be comfortable and happy in my job role, have the opportunity to make mistakes, feel comfortable about these and learn from them, and also experience the full aspects of a career in manufacturing and engineering. I have always had the full support of Ishida and Make UK, and this has been important to my development and allowed me to achieve all I have wanted to achieve. Remember, don't close that door until you've opened it up and taken a look inside.